Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the neuralgia cells. These are cells that are in your CNS and your PNS. Your CNS is your central nervous system and your PNS is your peripheral nervous system. Your CNS contains your brain and your spinal cord, while the PNS contains the cranial nerves and your spinal nerves. So the PNS, your peripheral nervous system, has two different types of neuralgia cells or supporting cells. And these are Schwann cells and satellite cells. So Schwann cells, they form the myelin sheath around the peripheral axons, and they do have neurolemma. So here are those Schwann cells. And you can see that myelin sheath, as well as in this, you can just see the myelin sheath. Then you have satellite cells. Satellite cells are the cells that support the cell bodies in the peripheral nervous system. So here are those satellite cells. Okay, and now we have your central nervous system. There are 4 different types of supporting neuralgia cells: oligodendrocytes, microglia, astrocytes, and ependymal cells. So oligodendrocytes are the cells that form myelin sheath. They just don't have neurolemma like your Schwann cells. Here are your oligodendrocytes, and another picture right here. And then you have your microglia, and these are cells that migrate through your CNS to get rid of the dendritic and bad material. I kind of think of it as the immune system for the central nervous system, just because it's flushing and getting rid of all the bad things in it. So here's your microglia right here, and a better picture right here. Now we have astrocytes. The astrocytes are just the cells that help regulate the external environment of neurons in your central nervous system. So here's your astrocytes right here. And right here. Then you have ependymal cells. These are cells that line the ventricles of the brain and the central canal, and they help produce your spinal fluid. And here are those ependymal cells, and another picture right here. So as you can tell, neuralgia cells are super important for the PNS and the CNS. Without them, we can't really regulate or protect those, the CNS and the PNS.